Hi, good evening, everyone. Hi, good evening, everyone. This is Siraj here. Today, as I inform, today we are going live with Mr. Fahad. He is a founder and CEO of Designo.in. Today, he is going to explain his app. He is a young entrepreneur. He completed his BBA in graduation and leading with new software called Designo.in. What's Designo is actually, how it is going to help us. He is going to explain us. Okay. So let us listen with Fahad. Fahad, give you a little introduction and what Designo is exactly and how it is going to help people and what you made innovation and what you made a creativity in Designo, and we want to listen. Explain it, please.
Yes, sure. First of all, thank you, Mohammed Siraj, for having me here today. I would really
It's my
like
pleasure.
to thank you for that. I'm glad for having here and promote my own application through you. As soon as like we are on live, hope everyone join and connect us tonight. I
Hmm.
want to explain about my design and my journey, how it got started. Right.
Right.
First of all, I will introduce myself a bit, like viewers would know about me. My name is Fahad bin Mahfouz. I have born and brought up in Mehboob Nagar, and I have done my graduation from Mithims Business School, Hyderabad. Post
Okay.
that, I have got an opportunity working with HGS, Hinduja Global Solutions, and then for getting couple of experience, about 1.5 year, I have moved to Byju's, the learning application. There, I have got an opportunity working as a sales executive and business developer. And as far as my job is concerned, while I was working with Byju's, I have started my career as a business developer over there in Pune, and I've met
Good.
with my partner Avinash, who is my like colleague,
Co-founder.
as well as co-founder of Design. And as
Yeah.
if we talk about Designo, the journey begins when we resigned our job while we were working in Pune. I was working with Bajos and Avinash is working with some organization, corporate BPO, something kind of. So we have
Okay.
got an idea of starting an e-commerce platform. We have always found of starting our own business, right? So we were never passionate about working 9 to 5. We are not that kind of people. So our mindset is like that. We always wanted to start up our own application, own e-commerce platform. This is what we call entrepreneurship, right?
Yeah. Right. Right. Good startup.
Yeah, but everyone have a little confusion between entrepreneurship and a businessman. Everyone think that entrepreneurship is nothing but the starting their own business. But according to me, it's nothing that you're solving a big problem in a market, coming up with a solution that's called and converting it into a business model. That is what entrepreneurship is all about, right?
Right.
So as far as my Designo is concerned, I would like to explain you a bit about it. Designo is an e-commerce platform where we can customize t-shirts, shirts, hoodies, everything. It's a completely print-on-demand application where we give access to the customers who can customize their t-shirts, their shirts as per their wish, as per their designs. Right. So it is alike same Amazon and Flipkart who are selling their t-shirts, and alike same the customer. I think my co-founder is joining today.
Yeah, sorry for interruption. Hi, viewers. I would like to introduce our Mr. Avinash, co-founder of Designo.in. So, Avinash, Fahad is giving introduction. After that, we will come to over to you. Okay.
Sure, sure,
So,
sure,
Hello,
sure.
hello Avinash. Welcome to our
thank you for
live
joining here.
broadcast.
Hmm. So,
Hello.
Fahad,
Yeah,
carry.
so I was giving an introduction about our application to our users, how we can use it,
Uh,
how we can access it. So Designo, as I was talking about customization, right? It's the
Right.
same like everyone have heard about Bewakuf.com, right? Bewakuf.com is an application in India which is on boom, which is on earning a lot of profits, which is making a lot of profits in these days in e-commerce platform and compared to Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, etc. But where
Right.
each and every e-commerce give access to customer to just what they have, what the designs they are preparing, what the design they are making on monthly, weekly, daily basis. Customer can buy only that. But what designer come up with a new innovation and new technology that we give access to the customers so that they can customize their t-shirt as per their wish. This is some unique points and strong points of our application that we are coming up with. So this is the innovation me and my co-founder Avinash Singh have founded. It was founded last year, 2019, September 11. We have registered our company in the name of Brandzu Stitch Private Limited. After that, we have got a name as a fancy name for our brand that is called Design. So which is easy to pronounce, understandable. We have it self-explanatory. to its brand.
You mean to
Right?
say, Fahad, you mean to say creating your own T-shirt, creating your own style of wearing by in an app or website. It's
Exactly.
so exciting and so interesting. You made very great innovation where new
Exactly.
youth people want different styles to wear, and it is good platform. They can design the T-shirt and shirt. It is very good to hear that. Good concept.
Thank you very much, Mr. Siraj. Then, as you can see, our logo and our that quotation that we have put, your imagination, our reality, right? So it's
Right.
nothing but you imagine your designs, we just make it. That it
Right.
explains. If
So
I
whatever
would
our
like to show,
imagination is there, we can create it.
yes, exactly. I would like to show to our viewers today how we can use and access our application. So I'll start sharing my screen. All the viewers can have a look of it. Just wait.
Fahad, till you share, we will go with Avinash introduction little
Sure,
bit.
sure, sure.
Some
Avinash will
viewers,
give his introduction.
yeah, we will go with Avinash. Avinash, we are exciting to listen your introduction little bit.
Sure, sure. First of all, how
Yeah,
are you, Mr.
I'm
Shiraz?
fine. How about you, Avinash? It's really good
I'm
to see
doing
you
great.
here.
I'm doing great. Same here, same here.
Yeah. Start with your
So,
introduction little bit, like where you are from and how you started this concept and how you got interesting concept in your mind and how you became an entrepreneur where everyone youth is waiting to become an entrepreneur, and what are the tips you want to give for entrepreneurship to become like everyone is they have ideas and dreams in their mind, but coming to reality they face many challenges in their life. What are the major factors they can work on it? Like we will discuss on the slowly one by one topic. Okay, until that you just give your introduction.
sure, sure. Like, I'm born and brought up from Indore, and I have completed my studies in Hyderabad. Me and Fahad have met over there only. So, after completing our graduation, we both were on the job. So, even he
Okay.
was from Byju's, and I was working for the airlines, TV.com. So
Okay.
we on the starting time, we was thinking about the business because there is no scope, no scope in job doing, always, giving the full time and
Something. Mm,
yeah, yeah. So we thought on last year on I think between 5 to 10th of August, I had a call with Mr. Fahad, and he stated me that come on, we'll go with the business because this I'm not looking any scope in like job and all. So we have decided to go in the garments because garment is a one of the highest scale of today's generation, and we came with a new
yeah.
concept called Designo with the name of company name Branzo Stitch Private Limited. So we actually what we did, like, we were searching for the new thing. Why? Because designing a print, getting our own fabric. So this is something new because while you have been like to a mall or some stores earlier, but what was the main concern was like we were not getting the exact what we are want, like our print. Our sometimes we get the print but we won't get our color. Sometimes we
Yeah.
won't fit with that. So we
Even
came up
yeah,
with the
many,
concept design where
yeah, I want to
yeah,
say
yeah,
that many members are confused with their choices. You know, some of the members they like the color of the t-shirt, but they're confused with the
yes, yes.
quotations. Yeah, some members they like the collar, some members they like V-neck. So these are very confusing. Their life they need to sacrifice something. But in your app, we can select anything, whatever we want to choose. That's a great innovative.
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you.
Yes. That's what I'm talking about. So everyone customer can go to a, website called designer.in. So here we have given a great platform. Actually, this is first time in India because we haven't seen earlier before this kind of applications. So the main concern we have shown, like, first we felt that there's something missing, like we haven't responded any earlier like this app in India. So now we have provided a platform, so a customer can go, select the sleeves, select the own color of combination, select their own design. Even we are providing design. If they are not satisfied with that, even they can upload their own design and create a t-shirt. We are same
That's
coming
great.
with the shirt also very soon. Very soon we are coming with the shirt also, where they can select a fabric over there. Even they can design and take a own material, getting a own fabric, getting a own style of the curve and the collar. It really, get satisfied to fit their body. So this is something new where we have came with. So this is all about the designer. Over to Fahad.
It's amazing to hear it from you. We want to see live. We are excited to see your app as well. So Fahad will share the screen. Fahad, I have given you approval. Just share your screen and show what is Designo and how it's
Yes,
looking in
yes.
the website. So audience
Just
are
hold on.
waiting for very waiting to see that.
I'm sharing the screen. Guys, you can look. Yeah. Can you able to see?
Yeah. No, no.
Just hold on.
Sure. Take your time. Did you share?
Yeah. Yeah. Can you able to see now?
No, no. You need to send again. So we are. Did you share, Fahad?
Just hold on a minute.
Sure, sure. You can share your screen. If it is not going, you can. So I'll give one more option to you.
Let me try. If Fahad have some issue with that.
Okay, no problem. You can try. I will show the screen and how the designer is looking, appearance, and how to create your own T-shirt with logo and your quotation, as well as you can create your own shirt. How it look, your collar, everything, your whatever you like, color and texture, everything you can select. So we will do one example on screen so that everyone can be familiar with that. How to use. They will be getting an
Sure.
idea how to do that. So, Fast.
Avinash, could you please help me with that? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm getting someone's screen. I'm adding just
Sure.
now. Avinash, I got your screen.
You are it, right?
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Can you connect once again your side? Yeah,
So
that's
guys,
great. We
I
are
would like to
visible.
explain you. I would like to
Yeah.
explain you about this application, how to use and how to create your own T-shirts. So first of all, I would like to tell you this is a home page of our application Designo, where we have three steps. First, you have a customized page. Then next, Avinash, could you please scroll up?
Sure, sure.
The next you have ready-made garments, which we find all over e-commerce platform, which is already exist in market, right? So we also have
Okay.
that option for customers who don't want to create on their own. They are in rush, so they want ready-made garments. So we do have that platform also. And the next scroll up, please. The next we have for t-shirts, kids and women's. This is for kids, just starting with the pocket-friendly amount, 180 rupees, which is I think which is worth enough for our quality which we are providing.
Okay.
And let's go. Let's see. Let's have a look of customization first. So this is all our homepage looks like. You need to scroll up. You need to have, yeah. So this is our first home. This is our first page. Customize your t-shirts and shirts in 3 minutes. So we can you see the two options? Avinash, please go back once.
Sure.
Yeah. So, Fahad, now just you can yes, example like you use men and show example how to do that.
Avinash, can we go for a
Yeah,
homepage once?
Once again, get back to your homepage, Avinash.
yeah. Just give me a few seconds.
Sure, sure. So it's looking so amazing and creative, Fahad. Thank you for giving this for the society. It's so interesting.
Yeah. So guys,
Yeah.
you can see there are two options available here: create shirt and create t-shirt, right? So the
Okay.
customer whoever want to create the shirts, we can go and click for the first option which is located here, create shirt, and the second is create t-shirt, which we can customize t-shirts. So first we can have a look of creating shirts. Avinash, please click on the link of create shirt. So when we click on this option,
So, Fahad, you're choosing a t-shirt or shirt to design.
we are just selecting a t-shirt, shirt, first shirt.
Shirt. Okay.
So when we select that option, we land up in this page in this simple steps we have created to design your
Okay.
own shirt. It is a tailored fitting shirts which you no need to go to a tailor shop and give your fabric and make designs and wait for a while. You no need to, as per your comfort, being at your comfort zone, you can just design your own shirt. So first we'll go for the first step, choose a fabric. So Avinash, please select a fabric. So we have couple of fabrics selected over here. As a startup, we don't have much right now. So we have started with a reel of fabrics. So you can
Nice.
find the designs over here. You can choose any of the designs. So Avinash, please select any of the design.
So it's good to choose multicolor we are finding here.
Multicolors, obviously. We have a lot of options
Yes,
over
yes.
here.
Wow,
Next we
it's
have
amazing. Ah,
next we have choose the sleeves. So we can select either half sleeves or full sleeve as per your wish. So this is called
okay.
customization. So can you please select full sleeve? Yeah. The next step we have choose a curve, which you want double curve. This, yeah, we have
Oh,
certain options over here.
we have 5 categories.
Yes, exactly. So Avinash, please select any of one of them.
Wow,
Yeah.
it's shirt designing a new model. Whatever you want to choose, you can design. See the
Then
zoom
next,
one.
yeah, the next we can go for a choose a pocket.
Okay.
So we have two types of pocket. One is with flap and without flap. So can you please select with
Okay.
flap?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the second
Nice.
one.
So I'm getting
And the next,
excited to take my own choice.
exactly. The next option is choose a collar. So we have
Okay.
six types of collars over here. So you can make it as per your design, as per your interest, how you want to look your t-shirt shirt like. So please, Avina,
Okay.
select any one of them.
So we can choose any color, whatever we like
The
to
last
make.
the last part is you can select your size. Now, when
Oh,
coming to size, every person is concerned about what and how they're gonna receive. So we have given a multiple option here. You can select small, medium, large, XL, 2XL, till 3XL. Right? Avinash, please
all
select
right.
2XL or XL something. Again, after selecting the XL, you have again more three options there: slim fit, casual fit, or regular, which gives you
Oh,
the
nice.
comfort feeling of your shirt. Right? So after collecting
Okay.
this, your shirt will look like your shirt is almost ready. This is how you have a look of your shirt when you customize everything. This is a very simple step. A layman can access it and can create anything, whatever he wants to. When you proceed it, Avinash, please proceed add to cart.
We are coming shortly for this.
Yeah. So
This is
nice,
how it
nice
will
design.
look.
Yeah. So there will be a rate displaying. Can you please have a look of the rate, Mr. Siraj? Can you able to
Yeah, yeah.
see?
Yeah, little bit. I'm not finding it. Little bit. It's
It is 12. It is 1233 after customizing
okay.
each and
Okay.
everything as per your wish. Right. So which is
Okay.
very
Fine.
pocket friendly according to us when it is compared to our competitors. We are providing at very pocket friendly amount, so
The
everyone
best
can
thing
access
is,
and everyone can buy.
Far the best thing is whatever we want, the choice is in front of us. The color
Size is,
itself, the cuff and color and texture, everything, whatever we choose, that is great, amazing.
and the second part, the most important is creating the t-shirts.
Hmm.
So let's have a
Interesting.
look of that.
Yeah, sure. We are very excited to look t-shirts because tattoos on t-shirts and designing names are mostly popular nowadays in the youth. So we everyone wants
Exactly.
to choose their photograph on t-shirt and like probe or quotation on t-shirt is very very interesting.
Here we have two options: creating shirt, men and women. So please
Okay.
select men. So you will end up in a page like this. Steps for creating t-shirts. We have 6 to 7 steps for creating your t-shirt. So
Okay.
it will look like a simple t-shirt, white background. You can select with neck. So Avinash, please select the neck of how whatever neck you want. There are two types of this is round neck and V neck, right? So we have the given the option of two. Avinash, can you please select any neck? Yeah, round
Yeah.
neck. This is it looks like sleeves. So we have two options again: full sleeve, half sleeve, color combinations.
Wow. So we can choose
So
our favorite color. We can go
exactly,
with
so
red and
whatever we
blue,
are
anything.
using. When you select V neck, we have less colors in that, but when you select a round neck, we have multiple colors, huge amount of
Okay,
colors we
okay,
have available in that. So
okay, fine.
see, you can have a look of this. So we can
Nice.
select any color, whatever you want with any design. Could you please select any color, Avinash? It will be
Nice.
directly appear like this. The next
Wow,
part is design, which
wonderful.
is most important thing. Whatever print you want, as we can see nowadays, it's all trending of jokers, marshmallow, everything. People want their own designs on the t-shirts. People want to communicate their message, their quotes through the t-shirts, right? So
Something
this
they
is
want
all
to represent.
this is trending. So we have couple of designs uploaded yet. So we have not uploaded much amount of that. So we can have a look here. You can see we have categories of quotes, brands, original image. There will be a lot of categories will be updated soon. Like you will be having rappers, jokers, cartoon animations, sports,
Nice,
whatever you need, right? So quotes would be example like the real boss. Could you please select any one of the quote, Avina?
nice, nice. Any code you choose, select. Wow,
Anything you can select. So this is how it placed on your directly on your t-shirt, not behind that,
so
not
great.
out of it. So this will be, you can scale it however you want, you can place it wherever you want. This is how it looks like. So
Like
maximum size
choosing
will
the
be
right.
A2 or A3.
Great.
Yeah.
Hmm.
The next part comes texting part.
So text we
Most of
can
the
add text.
people, exactly. Most of the people want to add their own text, their names, their
Like
numbers, the favorite
example.
sports number, their favorite sports cricketer t-shirts, numbers of everything, whatever they want. So let's write Mr. Siraj.
Yeah, you want to write my name. So interesting.
Yeah.
You can write design or no, it's better to write designer so that we can see your
No, no,
label.
no. It's okay. So you can scale as you want your name wherever you want to place. You can select the color of the font. You can select the fonts as well, whatever font you wish to like, and you can select that color as well. Great. So it will be directly appear over there. Yeah. You can place it above. No, it has been set from that area only. So we can't go above that or we can't go below that, right? So we have a A4 size. Hello. So guys, yeah, there's one more option that we can go for upload option. So Avinash, you can select any of the design from the upload option.
Yeah.
What happened, Mr. Siraj? Where were you gone?
Yeah, yeah. I just found little bit error in network, so I came back.
Okay, not an issue. So after customizing each and everything, Mohammad Siraj, so our viewers, everything, everyone can also have the option of uploading their own designs, right? If you are not
Right.
comfortable, if you are not satisfied with our designs, what we have provided here, you can go the next last option, which is upload option. Right? So you can go to the upload option. You can access your own memory. You can own gallery, whatever your designs you have. Directly, you can place it on your t-shirts. You design,
Okay.
we make it. You select, we just bring it to you. That's what design is all
Great.
about. Your imagination, our reality, whatever you imagine, we just get in front of you within 8 to 10 days. That's what our delivery time is all about. So when you proceed, Mr. Siraj, when you proceed
Yeah.
for add to cart, when you is about to buy, you have amount of it's around 1,119 rupees. Right?
It's
It
for
is
one
because
side or two side path. When you take front side, how much the cost are two side, how much the cost you are taking it.
this price is for two sides, back and front. But when you
Okay.
select only front side, you will be have the price of 700 amount 700 change like that. This price might be some people find that it's huge or some bit expensive, but I want to clear it to everyone, our viewers and Mr. Mohammad Siraj to you as well. When you customize your own t-shirt, we make it only personally for you, right? It costs us the more expenses just because it is particularly designed for you, right?
Okay.
So the customization cost would be very worth, the quality would be very worth. It is specially being made for you. So I think there would be no problem. There should be no difficulty of having this issue of pricing. And when you compare to other websites like Bewakoof.com or
Yeah,
competitors and
actually, Fahad,
Amazon.
we will not discuss about other website. We focus on our whatever we try to give a good output to the viewers, whichever you provide. Just discuss about design, okay? We will not discuss about others, if you
Exactly,
don't mind.
exactly. So the next option,
Right,
so you have got
Fahad?
a,
We can carry on.
yeah. So this is all about the customization part. Now let's have a look of ready-made garments. Avinash, could you please show the ready-made garments?
Sure.
So, guys, this is ready-made garment. Just now we have seen the creating your own T-shirt and own shirt. Now we are going with ready-made garments, which already prepared. Just you need to select and you can purchase it from the site directly. Will receive. So, see some of the examples.
So guys, you can have a look here. We have huge variety of ready-made garments with the starting rupees of 225 rupees. We have V-neck t-shirts, we have round neck t-shirts, we have printed t-shirts, raglan t-shirts, polo t-shirts, gym vest, and we have multiple colors options available here. You can access over there. I think it should excite every youth and every youngster who are just looking out for t-shirts, who are lovers of t-shirts, who are fans of t-shirt wearing it. So this is the right platform. They should land up here. See, have a look here.
We have a variety of option over here. You can
Yes.
have a look. We have V-neck, round neck. Even we have given a categories on that. We have a round full neck, half sleeve, and also round neck, full sleeve. We have
Agree.
also a different kind of varieties called ragan, full sleeve ragan, polo t-shirt. We have a polo t-shirt as well. We have gym vest.
Nice, interesting, very good concept, and it's looking so awesome. Colors, we have different type of colors here available.
Yes.
So guys, you can go with different type of t-shirts. Uniqueness you can find here, and you can find fashionable designs, and you can choose anyone and experience designer. I request everyone go through once
The,
and share with
the
your
most
friends.
the most important thing is I would like to share with everyone is we are providing the best of the best quality with affordable prices. So everyone has the comfortability of affordable, they can afford it. This is the most important factor that we are looking at. Yeah, you can see here we have hoodies in the color options, multiple colors,
Great,
and
great.
also that yet there is no updations in our application that you can customize this, but we take under bulk orders of this. You can print over here. You can print our hoodies also. We also provide printed hoodies. So, but we need to update our application as soon as we just get good response from a customer. Soon will be updated. This is all about women crop tops. You can have a look here.
So guys, you can go with the women wear also in this site. So it's reasonable, as Fahad said. Once experience it, and you can go with different styles available, Western and everything. So nice, Fahad. We will get back to you. Your explanation is completed. Everything in the site.
Yeah, yeah. We have explained everything. Also, we have bulk orders option available here. So, Avinash, could you
Okay.
please display the number of? This is all about
Sure.
kids. Yeah, we do have kids option as well.
Okay. Nice. So, Fahad, whether we can customize kits also, kids wear
No,
too.
no. As of now, we don't have option for that. But soon, but yeah,
Okay. Okay.
while you are giving a bulk order for us, we can make a customized T-shirt for kids as well. But we don't have access of customizing in our application right now. So this is all about our
Okay. Fine.
homepage,
Fine.
and when
Fine.
we go
So,
to bulk orders option, you can find our number,
guys,
which is written, which is given below here for
sure.
bulk orders. This is our helpline number. This is our customer service number. You can give orders of bulk, whatever retailers or everyone who is looking out for the designs, unique designs. So, Mama Siraj, this is all about our design
Great, Fahad.
application.
So those who are taking bulk orders and you want to order for your company or organization, or sports fairs, whatever, you can consult to this website, and you can find the contacts below that. And it is going to
Exactly.
be good creativity for the youth. So those who are watching youth from my channel Ideal Inspirer, I request everyone be motivated to yours, see the entrepreneurs young like Fahad and Avinash, and get inspired from there. We find Ideal Inspirer everywhere. So we found these two members are Ideal Inspirer. So we got them on the channel, and we are introducing to you. Our motto is to inspire people and empower more entrepreneurs with new innovations and new creativity in our society, so that we can build a better nation. So I request everyone go with the Designo and find some creativity in yourself. Design your
So,
own
Muhammad
concept,
Siraj,
own are your dressing sense. For you. Yeah,
I
Fahad,
would
you're
like
saying.
to
Over to
ask,
you.
I would like to ask our viewers, you can directly go to Play Store and download it. Android version is available right now on Play Store. You can download and have a better experience working like using with the designer who love online shopping. And I would like to really thanks for
Okay.
having us here, Muhammad Siraj. And you're doing a good job. You're inspiring and motivating people. Please do continue this. You are changing the lives of many. You are inspiring many youths nowadays. You are developing their mindsets into entrepreneurship, which is itself a very good platform for many
Yeah.
youths. And I think everyone should have this
Thank you so much.
courage. Everyone should have this mindset to start their own innovative, creative, right? Come up with your ideas. Be, have a courage to start, take a risk, start your own, implement your ideas into a realistic platforms. Like we have got an idea, we have implemented, and today we are in front of you, right? This is it, and we are a startup right now. We need your support, guys. Everyone support us. I need your support. Like this kind of support motivates us to do. We are also youth like you. We have started. We have come up with the platform here. I need everyone's support, right? And thank you again, Mohammad Siraj and
Right.
Avinash, coming here, joining us tonight.
Thank you.
So
Avinash, do you
it's
have
my
something to
pleasure.
say?
So Avinash, you over to you. You want to share something. So after that, I will have five rapid fire questions to you. So it's
Sure.
like simple questions. Apart from this entrepreneurship, we want to know personally to you, like how you are. So those who are viewers, they want to know what is inside your creativity and what other passions you have in your life. We want to know from you. So are you ready, guys?
Yes.
So Avinash, if you want to say anything, you proceed with that. After that, I will ask five rapid questions.
I just want to say to my customer, like visit the website. It's a very new and iconic concept here. You can get everything as per your wish, as per your demand. You can fulfill over here whatever you want. Just put a upload option. There is an upload option for you guys. If you're not having your kind of design, you can also upload on that and create your own T-shirt and shirt as well. We have varieties of ready-made as well, like hoodies. Even you can, if you have don't have an option right now of customizing hoodies, but very soon we are coming up with that. So even we have a category for man, woman, kids as well. Even kids can customize. We are coming with that very soon. And also we have a lots of design over here where can man, woman, even kids can customize over there. So overall, it's an idea when we came up with Fahad, and lots of inspirations where a person was searching earlier, like it's a platform, and here we're providing a great platform. One platform, we are giving everything: shirt, t-shirt, hoodies. Almost we have covered lots of garment styles over here. So this is what I have to say to my customer: go visit, experience it. You will be get a very new experience, and go and customize over there. And thanks to you, Mr.
So
Siraj and
great.
Mr. Fahad, have given an opportunity to us, to communicate with the customer as well.
So it's my pleasure, Avinash. Nice to hear you with the good words. So our motive is only a vision to inspire millions from Ideal Inspirer. Please share our channel to millions of people so that they can watch young entrepreneurs of India and other countries. They can come up with a lot of what you say new creativity in them. Many youngsters, they struggle with jobs. They have ideas, but still they find financial crisis in them. they need to start startups with a small initiative, baby steps, and they can go with the idea and dreams they can fulfill. Like you people inspire others and make a good sense in the society to become an entrepreneur. That's why I started a series called How to Become Entrepreneur. So we are coming with young entrepreneurs of India and other countries as well. So we will be proceeding to inspire millions. Now we will go with the
You are doing
rapid fire questions.
you are doing very great job, Mr. Siraj.
Thank you so much. Blessings are very important.
I want
So
to add
subscribe
one
my
line over
channel.
here. I want to add a one
Yeah,
line over here. Don't think,
sure.
don't getting all this job. If you're really passionate about your dream, just take a step, make a decision. Very first thing is decision. If you come up with your own decision, then you can achieve and success in your life. So the viewers, I want to say, don't think what people say to you. Just go, make your dream fulfill, and get with your decision.
Okay, nice to hear that words from you, Avinash. Good to hear that. Okay, can we start rapid fire questions? Both of you ready?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So we are over to Fahad. Fahad, can you tell me what is the best quality of Avinash? These many days you spend with him with lot of challenges and everything. We want to know what is the good quality you find in Avinash.
Yeah, I would like to surely speak about it. Avinash is a very hardworking guy. His personality motivates me. He motivated me as soon as I explained my idea to him that we wanna do something. So he is the first person that we motivated me, and he also come up with the new ideas which together we found the Designo website. And trust me, he's very hardworking, very dedicated personality. From college days, I am looking him. He works hard, he studies well, he has good sense of humor as well, and he is a good friend. He's a loyal friend, I could say. The best quality is his hardworking nature. That's it.
Nice to hear. So over to you, Avinash. Are you excited about it? I think so. Let us go with you. And Avinash, just share me a good memory with Fahad, where you spent in your college life, where you learned something and you have fun in that.
Well, we been like in we met on 2015, 2013. I'm sorry, 2013. So till that time, 2013 to 2020, we have a very good bonding with us, and the quality with he always come with the ideas, and he motivate me about like the I want to do this, I have a passion. But the one thing which I really find with him, that ideas he coming with the new ideas and discussing between us, that really have a good quality. And also he's very loyal and impressive as well.
Nice, yeah. So see, generally when we do graduations, many youngsters, those who are studying, they get lot of ideas in their mind. They start exploring, but the surrounding environments they just laugh. So it's a creative. Are you going to do or not? So that time we think that one day we will do. That day we really expect in our life. When that day comes, then no one can stop them. Yeah, you said right. So college days
That's
are
the
very,
drawback.
yeah.
Yeah, Mohammad Siraj, you are right, and that's the drawback we are facing nowadays. Starting is important. Taking steps and taking decision. Starting is important because ideas never come fully formed. It just get clear when you get
Yeah.
started. This is the most famous quote given by Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook. So I followed that, looking out that we just need to get started. I suggest all of you, all youths, all entrepreneurs who want to start their own business, who want to come up with innovations, new ideas, be it any field, engineering, commerce, doctor, any field, do your best. Start up, have a team, create a team, work with everyone. It's just not that you should have a mindset that I will only work. You should work with the team because you will get success along with your team. Success can never be achieved alone, right? So this is my thought
Teamwork is,
regarding on.
yeah, I agree, Fahad, because teamwork is very important. One
Mm.
person can't do everything, but if you have an idea, if you have a good team, you can achieve any target, whatever you have vision in your life to do in that, like what you're working with, any concept. So if you have a good team, you can achieve easily. So team building is very important. So over to Avinash. We will go to Avinash once again. So
Yes.
Avinash, tell me what is one regret of your life? Like you regret that I used to do that, I missed it.
Well, regret option was earlier because I haven't started the business. The one regret was that, but Now I don't have regret.
That's great.
Yes,
That's great.
earlier when we was in college life, when we was on the tour of college, me and Fahad, we used to think that we will do this, we'll do this. Many lots of idea will, we have dropped
Yeah.
lots of idea. Yeah, we come with a lots of idea, but the one thing is to step. So after doing graduation, even being in a job profile and doing work for others, I thought that it would be very regret for me if you would have been take a step for the business. So now I don't have regret. Let's I
Great.
don't think so whether it will be success or failure. The first thing I have to go with my dream, and I hopefully it will be successful.
That's great. A positive thinking. You build yourself that you want to create your own empire, like being an entrepreneur, thinking differently, creative, like making yourself a comfort zone where you want to achieve your success. So that is very very important. So good, Avinash. We expect from every youngster that they build new ideas, they come up with that, and they can create a new innovation so that society should be utilize that and they should find something interesting. It's good. So next over to Fahad. Fahad, for you one more question. So we
Yeah.
want to hear that what is your next vision for 10 years? So what you are expecting
Sorry?
for 10 years? So what your plan and vision to make in 10 years?
So 10 years down the line, I'm expecting to be the best e-commerce player. We want to be the best e-commerce platform we have created just now. Designer should be the best to compete with Amazon. Thinking big is good. Thinking big is important because everyone says, "Oh, Amazon is a big player. He's a dominating
Yeah,
e-commerce
it's
platform."
like inspiring.
Yeah. So we want to compete and we want to be the best on e-commerce platform as we have started. So 10 years down the line from now, we see ourselves as a best player, dominating each and every market, satisfying our millions of customers, providing them with good quality of garments, apparel, and increasing and developing ourselves day by day. I believe in upgrading ourselves day by day. You should develop your skills. You should upgrade yourself day by day with along with the market, adopt new technologies, learn new skills, and just distribute it teach to other people so that you can work with your team, right? Accept
Right.
new ideas. Very important.
Good. So we respect e-commerce, those who are working with the current now and coming with new entrepreneurs, challenging the upcoming market of 5 to 10 years vision. So we congratulate you and we give a lot of motivation to you to make a challenge. When you don't have the competition in the market, you don't find exactly what you are expecting. If you are going only solo vision, so if you don't have any competition, you don't get that much excitement what you have achieved. So we want competition in the market. That is very very important. So
Agree.
competition itself give a better result, I believe. So competition is needed. So we wish with wholeheartedly you reach your vision after 10 years and
Agree.
great results. We can meet you after 10 years with a billionaire. What is
Yeah,
a
right,
billionaire?
right.
Billionaire. So we will meet again an ideal inspirer where I'll be inspiring others. You will be dealing with lot of international clients. So definitely we look after you after 5 years and 10 years of being India's most popular entrepreneurs and billionaires. And we expect more new creativity designs in your designer with lot of new creations. Not only this existing, we expect more from you because you think creatively. You need to do every day as a creativity with a lot of challenges those are facing in around us, those who unable to get their satisfaction in garments or fashion designing. You can create new things and you can mention in your site so that we are ready to use it with excitement. Okay, nice talking to you guys. I have one more meeting over 7 already started. I need to leave. It's almost 7:11 now. So great talking to you. Thank you so much for joining us. Ideal Inspire, where a mission to inspire millions. So subscribe my channel on YouTube, and you can see same video there. So you can get motivation from entrepreneurs like Avinash and Fahad, and you can create your own creativity and you can make your own company and come up with the different ideas and creativity in the market where you can inspire more millions and they come up with lot of innovations to us. So okay, thank you so much for joining us. I hope
Thank
all the
you,
best.
Mohammed Siraj, for
Thank you,
having us
thank
here.
you.
Thank you for having us here today to promote and giving us a platform and opportunity to promote my brand. Once again, thank you and have a great day.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day, both of you.
Thank you, thank you. I want to say that believe in yourself. Go ahead.
Yeah, Avinash, I didn't get you.
I want to say to my viewer that believe in yourself and just show your creativity.
Nice, nice. So that is
And
what we are expecting from youngsters, those who are coming with new ideas. So believing yourself is very important. Belief system we need to create, and we can proceed whatever the idea you have in your mind, and you can create a new innovations and different levels where you'd never expected that. So that is what we are expecting. Thank you so much, Avinash, joining us, and have a
thank you,
nice day
Mr.
with
Siddharth.
your friends, and make more people inspired like you.
Thank you very much.
Bye. Have a nice day. So, bye everyone. So it's nice to connect with the people, those who are making new concepts and coming with us and making us proud with a lot of creativity in them. And we are happy to see such entrepreneurs surrounding where they are creating a new innovations. It's good to see them. Thank you so much for viewing. Subscribe my channel on Ideal Inspirer and see same video there. I will upload there, and you can find so many people, those who are coming newcomers, entrepreneurs. I'll be connecting them and giving you a lot of tips and what you say a lot of motivation to you. Signing off, your motivational speaker Mohammad Siraj, and have a nice day. Bye bye.